Fucking kidding me.
Eventually, man. Whoa, whoa. What do you think?
哎呦，那个人那谁？没死。哎呦我操！操你妈！
Fucking joking. Fucking tossing.
Be a bum ass boy. I know the dream. I know the dream. Okay, good. I'm so proud. I can't settle down. I like options. I hate small talk. I like.
Expensive, like not even the Mazda dealers. Some had an accident.
Well, because I mean, I wasn't able to give Byron a walk. I just. Okay, I'm driving slow. The dude behind us because somebody f***ing turned.
He just threw shit out of his car. What is wrong with you? Let him pass.
Yeah, I am. Jesus.
He just threw a drink at
Yeah,
him.
I
Like it
saw
wasn't
it.
even empty.
No, it was a
Infantry.
Cara has crossed the stage in the male uniform. It's your time.
Here I was walking on stage going, this is the I am not going to be able to do the job that my country asked.
He loves my turkey picante. But just try to bring down the genetics mix, little mix right there. Just try to bring down the genetics mix.
Shoulder closing time, you were begging me to stay till the sun rose. Strange words come on out of a blue man's mouth when his mind's full. Pictures, past in time, you won't smile like that when you're drinking.
Zo, wat? Dit kan echt niet parkeren.
Oh,
Oh shit. Oh
Shit!
my god.
You idiot!
On their toes with Hamilton quarterback Bo Levi Mitchell picking apart the Alouettes in a win last week.
Oh my lord.
Run for your life. Run to the hills. Run for your life.
Average.
Who's gonna make it through?
Jesus Christ. What's wrong with you? Fucking retarded?
Обалдеть.
Ебать, куда он гнал?
Ого.
Пиздец, догонял вообще надо.
Охренеть. Ментор.
Blowing away changeup, not in the strike zone. Real went down, got it. Sacks hit up tonight, their second.
What the?
What the fuck? Fucking dickhead.
That car next to you now, that guy there, he just hit another car, stationary car, and he's been weaving all over the road. Thank you.
ਤਿੰਨ ਬੰਦੇ ਰਾਜਸਥਾਨ ਤੋਂ ਫੜ ਕੇ ਲਿਆਂਦੇ ਜਾਂਦੇ ਇਹ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਇਹ ਫਰਾਰ ਹੋ ਜਾਂਦਾ ਲੇਕਿਨ ਕਈ ਮਹੀਨਿਆਂ ਤੋਂ
passenger door stood ajar, and a flickering light shone through the gap, casting a long sliver of gold across the black floor. Frank edged.
Fucking hell.
Searching for something that is safe hiding. My pride that is the test hiding.
You know, man.
And it's all just flesh. Riding.
I jumped